Hello artists! Today you'll be making your own bird feeder with a milk carton, just like this. So the first step on your page says add details to and color your bird feeder roof and walls. So I already added details. I colored in my roof. These are my walls. And you know what? If you go out of the lines, it's not a big deal because you're going to cut it anyway. Second step, cut your bird feeder walls and roof out along the little dash line. So you guys remember little dash? Just follow that little dash line all the way around. So I'm cutting mine out. Doesn't matter if you start with the walls or the roof, you're going to cut them both out. Actually, in the steps, I forgot. I have you cut this part first. You're cutting out the nutritional facts along the red line. So take your time, just get your scissors in there, and just go nice and slow. Remember to turn the milk carton instead of turning your hand. And this part's going to get recycled. And then cut out your roof. And then I'll put my scraps off to the side. I'm going to recycle those in a little bit. And now I get to glue my walls and my roof down to my milk carton. So you can see that this small part matches up with the part of the milk carton where we cut that little door off. So that way the birds can reach the feed. Okay? So we'll take our glue stick and put glue all over it, especially on the corners. And then for me, it helps to just line up this little door here first, and then kind of do the rest. So I'm holding on there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have any parts that are curling up, see how those are curling up a little bit? That's no problem. We'll just add a little more glue. And then we can do the roof. Add glue, especially on the corners. And then, this is fun, you get to smooth it down over the top. And again, just hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you go. Have fun.